Welcome to our channel. While Windows 11 updates are managed through your computer's operating system settings rather than Shopify, here's how to ensure your Windows 11 is up to date for optimal Shopify store management. Step 1. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens the Windows 11 Start menu. Step 2. Click on Settings from the Start menu. You can also press Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open Settings directly. Step 3. In the Settings window, select Windows Update from the left sidebar. This is where all system updates are managed. Step 4. Click on Check for Updates button. Windows 11 will search for available updates, including security patches and feature updates. Step 5. If updates are found, click Download and Install to begin the update process. Your computer will download the necessary files in the background. Step 6. Wait for the download to complete. You can continue working while updates download, though your internet connection may be slower. Step 7. Once downloaded, Windows will prompt you to restart your computer to complete the installation. Save all your Shopify work before restarting. Step 8. Click Restart Now to install the updates. Your computer will restart and configure the updates, which may take several minutes. Step 9. After restarting, log back into your computer and verify the updates were installed successfully. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and check the update history. Step 10. Open your web browser and access your Shopify admin panel to ensure everything is working smoothly with the updated system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.